In front of me is Oppo A40 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and use those type of icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some of them, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!